8th Gen Civic radiator replacement.
I believe 6 or 2007 Honda Civic, and said this one's overheating and it keep losing the coolant. So let's just quick check. I just went ahead remove the cap for the radiator. Yeah, it didn't have any coolant in it. Let's try to put some water to see what's going on. Oh yeah, look at that, that's spraying crazy, huh? So radiator, let's go ahead and replace it. Keep leaking. So I already removed this cover, kind of like a bumper cover, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove this 10mm bolt so I give more room. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these 10mm bolt to access this one. Okay, let's go ahead. This support on the radiator. So this is support. Just remove them right on the side, right here, and that should be a little bit freely. And also the support for this condenser. Let's go remove that so you get more room too. Then next we're gonna go ahead and remove these clamps for these hoses, so it'll be freely. And after that, it's the fan that need to be removed. I'm not doing it in order. I'm just doing what I see right now, but that's what it needs to come out. Radiator. But to make it really easy, what we can do is remove these bolts here that holds this radiator support, and that will be freely open. Let's see if we can do that. Remove those bolts. I left maybe 2 here, so we'll see if I can drag it up. Oh yeah, that's moving. We got 2 more here and then we're fully out. Okay, get this up. There you go. This is freely out. Be careful you touch this positive cable. You should disconnect this to be safe. There you go. Disconnect that, and that's out. And then you can literally remove all these clamps and this fan. So remove the radiator. Okay, so I got the bolts for the fan. They should come out. I disconnected this, by the way, from the connector. There's a plug there, and then another fan here disconnected. Let's see if we can get that out. And we have the radiator should be coming out too, if I got this situated. And let's see, should be it. Put this down. Let's remove the other fan here on the driver's side. There's another hose that holds it, which is the return. The one going in. We're gonna remove that. And temperature, coolant temperature. Let's remove that. Alright, they're disconnected, and voila. Oh, look at that. See if I coolant there. You can actually just clip it here if you want to. Should be easy. Don't clip it here. And then this is easy to remove. Make sure you have this rubber. Sometimes this doesn't comes on the brand new radiator, and then that's what we're gonna look for. And this is toast. All right, let's go ahead and open our radiator, brand new radiator. We'll see if it matches. There you go. We have these. It does look like kind of match. Let's flip it over. Okay. The other way around. I think that's right. There you go. That match, and this one will transfer over. Let's go ahead and remove this one. You can just transfer this over. So now everything is transferred over, even this rubber piece here, thermostat, and this hose here. We're gonna put everything back. That's facing that way, and let's go put it back. Radiator is put back, then the fan will go in. Hoses are in. Wire for the therm sensor is in. The fan can go in like this. It has a hole underneath. and we're gonna screw it. Same thing as this one. Fans are in, and we got this hose on top are in. The connector is connected. We have one more here to connect. So we're gonna go ahead and put the radiator support on top. Radiator support is back. The inlet here for the radiator hose is back, and let's go ahead and put the condenser located and this one up in. Remember this bracket for the radiator. We'll put it back, and then it should be almost done. Alright, everything looks good. It's all intact. Double check our work. I'm gonna go ahead and put a coolant in it, 50-50, and the cover will go back in. I'll do that last. But we'll test everything, and everything should be okay. And bleed it, make sure all the coolant in the system, and we're done. That's pretty easy, guys. Hope you like this video.